I've been working as a landscape developer for nearly 35 years, but lately, I keep telling people to stop landscaping. Making landscapes and caring for them has been my life's work, so it may sound crazy that I'm telling people to stop landscaping. But I know that fighting the natural order of our environment by using conventional practices and rushing through projects is not sustainable. Life-scaping is the answer, and that's why I wrote a book. Normally, when people think about making a landscape look better, the first thing that they reach for is this, thinking that digging in is where you start. But really, it's not. Whether you install a fire pit or a built-in grill, a luxurious lawn or a whole hedge of hydrangeas, those features have little chance of truly satisfying you unless first you tease out your own desires and you do a deep dive into what the potential of nature has to offer you. The undeniable truth is we value a landscape not for its features, but for how we feel in our experience of it. Developing and caring for your landscape is a long game, one that requires some mapping and navigating through the dynamics of ecology and the nuances of your own imagination. And that's where the magic comes in. To learn more, you need to get a copy of my book, Stop Landscaping, Start Life-Scaping, and then you'll finally have the information you need to pick up that shovel and dig in.